welcome back to Dharani Creation. In this awesome video, we are going to make a electric cycle. Let's see how to make it. I have ordered KSI bicycle motor kit. The buy link is given in the description. In the kit, we will get 2 electric brakes, a controller, a pedal assist, horn and the light, display and the key, units, switches for light and horn, motor connecting wire. We need to fix the motor in the wheel. I have fixed the motor and I have changed the spokes. I have designed a carrier in which we have carrier and an inbuilt battery holder. In this we have our YouTube channel logo, guys. We need to fit to the wheel. Let's unbox the battery, guys. With the battery, we will get a Digitech e-battery charger and the battery. The battery is 36 watt 20 Ah. unscrew the battery, guys. Let's connect all the wires to the controller. Connect the battery connector with the battery. Let's test it. It's working, guys. For the battery charging, I have a separate lock. We can open it and we can charge it. There's the battery charging port. Let's drive and check it. It's working smooth. Thank you for watching, guys. We can see you in the next awesome video.